It's essential in the 21st century to be transliterate, to interact across a range of platforms, tools, and media. I would like to thank the staff of the library's Adult Learning Center for creating this conference opportunity for all of us, and I want to thank all of you for attending. We are all, as the phrase on the blogs tells us, we're all digital immigrants to this transliteracy concept. Thank you for the courage, curiosity, and creativity that you bring to Owen Sound's Transliteracy Conference 2010. Hope you have a great time here. Thank you so much.
This is just perfect. It's perfect weather, perfect location, and a wonderful audience, and obviously eager learners to learn about technology.
The workshops and the conference as a whole is designed a little bit differently than the workshop that you've been in the past. You'll actually be in one location each day, and the people doing the workshop presentations will come to you. And the workshop presentation, the first part of it will be something called a pesha kusha. We'll talk about that. And then they'll do a little bit more of an explanation about that topic and answer some questions. And then you'll have an activity-based session for the next 40 minutes out of the hour. You'll actually work and practice with the activities, and then at the end of the whole 2 days, we're going to have a celebration dinner, and you're going to present some of the work that you've created. And we know that it'll be in draft form and it won't be perfect, but it'll be a lot of fun.
So you could record something in your classroom or record a presentation, a lesson, introducing students to a new concept or how to navigate the website, convert it, and it could play on their iPod, you could have it play on their website.
Using screencasting to present lessons can be an easy way to overcome that challenge. Your students can access the materials from any internet computer just by accessing your website. You can also share these materials with other organizations.
This is one of the best tools for teachers out there. It's called Delicious. It allows you to store all your bookmarks in one place. You can access your favorite websites from any computer. And you can also share your bookmarks with colleagues and students.
Hello, Humptonians. This is your leader, Obi-Wan Humpster speaking. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, will be to travel to Earth to educate literacy professionals about the Learning Hub program.
This site is amazing. He has a topic of the day, but he also has a running list. So if you're doing geography somewhere, he has the best geography sites. If you're doing studying for the driver's license, he has the best of that material.
Okay, welcome to the Image Lab. Today we're talking about screen capturing, image editing, making avatars, and using generators.
So imagine how much more independent your learners would feel and how much more they could accomplish if they had an easy to follow audio track attached to their lesson or attached to their worksheet that they're working on.
When Tim asked me to come out and talk about Alpha Class, I was really excited. Over the last few years, we have been going through a lot of changes with our projects, things we are doing, and it was our chance to come out and talk to you and tell you what we are up to.
Okay, so end of Transliteracy Day 2. You're reaching the end. Congratulations. Way to go. We are actually going to do something fairly simple today. Visual learning and mind mapping. If we have time, we'll get into the immersive learning in PowerPoint.
We use blogs. We have a staff group that we use as a blog. So it's like going and posting it up on a wall, but everybody can see it. And we have a rule that when you start your day, you check the staff room, just like you would if it was a real physical space. So we have people with level 1 and level 2 reading and writing skills blogging. Roger's program in Collingwood, all level 1, level 2 students, they all blog. They all have their own blog.
We learned a lot this weekend. Anyway, our journey in transliteracy took us to enjoy, create, learn, and share.
The research also shows that boys will read if they are given reading that interests them. This is going to be very, very useful because I'm developing a blog for math, construction math. Leaving on a jet plane. Charlotte, we need your help here. But anyways, our minds went to a place where we've been.
This work was developed so that we could introduce people that have never heard of Employment Track Express. Also for the people that are taking our course who are terrified of computers, just to give them an idea of what you can do with it. And I'd actually never made a PowerPoint before, so it was a very interesting exercise.
I'm going to take you on a personal journey. This is my passion cushion.
In the 10 years that I've been in literacy, we have gone through level descriptors, the matrix, learning outcomes, workforce literacy, essential skills, and now the new Ontario Adult Literacy Ontario Adult Literacy Curriculum, plus all the technology that's come in.
Again, I'm new to PowerPoint, new to everything we've learned today, so thank you for bearing with me.
I really want to acknowledge all the hard work of the Aberdeen Center staff.